inside another box. Notice it says 12 months limited warranty. Alright, here you have it. Robot Vacuum Cleaner User Manual, Roborock E4. Feels like this is empty. We have the vacuum itself. Put that up a little bit. Vacuum in plastic. A cord. And the charging dock. That's what the dock looks like. Cord goes over here. Cord has a nice Velcro thing on it, and that plugs into the dock. And here is the Roborock E4. So you get some on-off buttons. Here's the bottom of it. And that's what you get in the box. Okay, my ideal spot to have my robot vacuum is right here in the dining room. So first thing you do is you plug in the dock. Now, it's supposed to have 1.5 feet of clearance on each side of the dock and 4 feet of clearance for the front of the dock. Next thing it says to do is turn on your Roborock. So you press and hold the power button. Now that the lights are on, you place the robot on the charging dock.
Charging.
And it told me it was charging. Oh, it's moving.
Charging.
Apparently it was readjusting itself, and now it is charging. Power button is flashing white slowly, which means it is charging or starting up, but in this case it's charging. Then you download on your phone the app MI Home. I don't know if you can see that. The next thing to do, it says to reset the Wi-Fi. So you open this cover and then you push both of these buttons at the same time. Until you hear reset Wi-Fi.
Resetting Wi-Fi.
And when this blue light here becomes steady, then the Wi-Fi is connected. Okay, now you can see that the light is steadily blue, which means that it's Wi-Fi connected. It is also connected to the phone. I did have to move it. Apparently it wasn't close enough to the router, which is over here. And that was over there where I wanted it. But it's connected, so it's going to stay right here for now. And as soon as it's charged up, we will see how it works. Hopefully you can hear the volume. And it went over the threshold very well. Now, to keep it from going under the bed, because I'm not ready for it to do that yet, we did put some blocks up so it won't go under the bed. It's really not that loud at all. And from what I have seen, it picks up most things on the carpet. You can see the difference. You can see where it's swept by the lines, and over here it hasn't swept it yet. Will it deep clean? No. But it picks up surface dust, fuzz, and what have you. I was worried about these ripples in the carpet. They're not huge, you know, but I was worried about her being able to go over the ripples, and it acts like it's not even there. So it went over that fantastic. No, yeah. I just happen to have some Skittles. Picked up the Skittle. Let's see. Where is it going to come? Let's see if it'll pick up that one. And it picked up that Skittle into the kitchen. As you can see, it's going over. This is like a thick rubber mat. She went over it there. And before, when she came at it at this angle, she wouldn't go over it. Let's see if she does today. See? Now at that angle, she's seeing it as a barrier. But at the other angle, she went over it. No problem with area rugs at any angle. It will eventually go around all these legs and usually get most of the carpet. Sometimes she'll go around the leg, sometimes she'll do this weird thing, and then eventually she'll go around the leg. Back in the kitchen again, and this time it did get a little bit more of that mat. And you can see I have another mat over on this side. Now let's see if she'll go over that one.